The application form for NEET UG 2023 is soon to be released. Here are some of the important documents which you need to be ready with in order to fill the application form for NEET UG 2023. They are: number 1 is mark sheets of 10th and 12th board exams. Number 2 is Aadhaar card. Number 3 is any other government IDs such as ration card, your passport, bank details, or even your 12th standard roll numbers. Number 4 is scanned photographs. Scanned passport size as well as postcard size photographs of yourself. We have scanned signature, then scanned finger impressions of both left and right hand of all 10 fingers. And number 5 is details for online payment such as credit card and debit card details or online payment details or even UPI details. Note: for students writing their board exams this year in 2023, they do not require to submit their 12th standard mark sheets. Take special care while filling in the application with authentic and real information. Do not fill in with false information as it is a criminal offense. For more application related queries, please follow Jupiter Academy channel. This is me, Hussain, signing off. Thank you.